Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to customize your search box in your Windows 11. It's going to be very easy and simple video. So as you can see in my desktop, I have search a box here. So let's say I want to customize it. Maybe I want to change it to icon or label only or icon only. So to do that, you can go to the settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, hit enter. And then in the setting page you can go to your personalization here, click on it. Then you can scroll down, you will find taskbar here, click on it, and you will see search option here, and you can change the style. So if you click this drop down, you will find some option like hide, search icon only, search icon and label, and search box. So let's try one by one. So if you choose hide, obviously it will, gone. Your search feature is gone in your taskbar. And if you choose search icon only, and it will like this, just icon, search icon like this, and you can click on it. And if you choose search icon and label, there will be icon and label, search label here like this. And if you choose search box, it will be bigger like this. So it depends on your preference. So yeah, you can choose whatever you want. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to join our membership. Thank you.